He is the first wandering yogi to conduct yoga program on all the 7 continents of the world. As an independent wandering yogi, he travels worldwide to conduct seminars, workshops and retreats on yoga and tantra. He has conducted programs in various educational, social and corporate institutions. His programs are organized in schools, colleges, universities, yoga studios, homes, temple, church, prison, open parks, resort, etc. Over last 10 years, he has shared the art and the science of yoga with the people of 75 countries. His most popular program is Yearly Yoga Ayurveda Retreat in Bangalore, India. He has conducted yoga workshops at many notable universities all around the world. His educational qualifications are a Bachelor in Engineering in the year 1992, Masters in Yoga Philosophy, Gold Medalist in 1998. He worked as a lecturer of the Yoga Philosophy for the 7 years, teaching various philosophical and practical aspects of yoga and tantra at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels and guiding students with their papers and thesis work. His special field of the interest and teachings are in the advanced aspects of yoga and tantra related to prana, nadi, chakra, kundalini, meditation. He is adept at teaching Hatha Yoga, Raj Yoga, Kundalini Yoga and always provides a beautiful synthesis of yoga. Though his experimental understandings combined with the study of classical texts of yoga and tantra and a rational approach to ancient spiritual wisdom, he is able to present some of the most advanced and esoteric knowledge in down-to-earth style. His articulate and engaging teaching techniques in an open, caring environment creates an effective learning of yoga and spiritual life. His lectures are very popular and well received due to his scientific and holistic approach, friendly attitude and personal interaction. He continues to guide aspirants all over the world in the art and science of yoga. He is none other than Swami Mahesh Ji. Swami Mahesh Ji is the founder and the team leader of SIA International, who is born in India. He had the series of Psyche experience from the earlier age that guided him on the path of yoga and spirituality and the connection to his Guru Swami Satyanand Saraswati Ji. He served in his Guru's mission in various capacities over 14 years and entered in his wandering stage in the year 2008.